Hey, it's Brandon coming to you from Mills GM in Baxter, Minnesota. Today we are in the detail department, actually sitting right outside the buffing machine. We are looking at a 2016 GMC Sierra 2500, and this is super nice. Duramax, sweet black wheels on this thing, and of course, it is the Denali. Stock number is 2G210108A. Traded in on a brand new ordered out Sierra. Beautiful stone blue metallic. We're gonna kind of weave in and out of the buffer here. And check this out. So, stone blue metallic. You got parking sensors front, rear. Of course, the big GMC Denali grille here. LED daytime running lamps. We have fog lamps, of course, as well. And of course, the 6.6 Duramax Turbodiesel engine. Plenty of tread on these tires as well here. Pretty close to brand new Michelins. So you don't have to replace those anytime soon. See if we can sneak in here on the front at all a little bit. As you can see, we've got nice leather seats. This vehicle hasn't been smoked in. Only 65,000 miles and change on this as well too, I believe. 50 to 60,000. Heated, ventilated seats as well. Heated steering wheel, and it is the Cocoa Dune interior. This has your 4G LTE Wi-Fi. You can connect 7 devices within 50 feet. And let's check out the back here. Backup camera, backup sensors back here as well. Spray and bed liner, tonneau cover. Truck's very well, very well maintained. Should be out on the lot very soon. Usually the buffer is one of the last steps it goes into. Power seats, of course, both sides. 4-wheel drive, of course. It does have the trailer brake controller as well. And this is a nice, beautiful looking truck. If you want a big beast of a truck that's gonna haul anything that you want practically, this is what you want. Don't go and spend all the money on the big stuff. Go check this out. Give us a call here, 218-829-3504, or visit us worldwide at millsgmcbaxter.com. Thanks for watching.